Hi everybody. Excuse me. Good afternoon. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. Hope everybody is doing well and great. It's almost midweek, and um, we're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And we have lamps, mirrors, consoles. We have bunker beds. We have tables, and we have smaller items as well, which is items such as coasters, we have trays, we have cutlery, we have bookends, and we have a whole plethora of other, products and stuff. And of course, for men and for corporate innovative, we have stuff which is like tables with bases inspired from golf. Then we have stuff which is inspired from the sea. You may have like a base of a table which is in the form of a ship. Then there is inspired from New York. There is this chessboard. There are two options. One is like in leatherite, which is with a box, and it's light and you can carry it and stuff. And the other one is basically got a glass top, so it's different. We have again inspired from chess. We have the knight as the base of the table and stuff. Then there are sand timers. Then there are bigger items as well. You could take a look at my catalog, and you can take a look at the categories of items which we've already been sharing on our Insta page and on social media. And of course, when you get in touch, you can always see them. And then recently, I've been researching and working on this particular concept, which is inspired from the international market like France and UK and US. So there are these tables which are in stripes. There are these tables which are made by artists of India and stuff. So these are also available now, and a lot of other items and stuff, because you understand that the market is big, and there's always scope for improvement and stuff. What is the video all about? The video is all about innovation. As creative thinkers or creative people or intellectuals or designers or people from communication, branding, marketing, and stuff like that, and understanding that there is also a need for innovation, which is largely the need of the hour, because we have so many concerns and issues before us. So having visited Greater Expo Mart recently, which I do every year, and having interacted with international people and Indian minds there, and also being at the India America Center day before yesterday, and meeting and greeting and understanding what the global thought process is around design and interiors and stuff. It's clear that we have certain issues and persistent problems like nature before us. It's a big concern now. It's everybody and anybody is wanting to think about it and stuff, at least from the group I know. So what I could understand is, after understanding it from a diplomacy and from a design point of view, or from an environment point of view, or from a creative thinker, or a design perspective would be better, or an architecture perspective would be better, is that we need to have innovation happening, and we need to have we need to evolve, and we need to probably also get into renovate, because there are a lot of buildings and a lot of structures which are already there. And once you look at how certain global heads and Indian minds are working on the architectural scope of projects, where they're looking at nature, they're looking at the weather as a concern, and they have solar panel construction happening, and they have various varieties of nature being included in them and stuff. At least in this project I saw, what I can understand is that our city, Delhi, and other buildings also have a scope. I'm sure if people were supposed to sit with engineers, they were supposed to sit with creative heads, they were to sit with environmentalists, they were going to sit with, let's say, the right side of people. I think we can come out with a very innovative or a renovation green 2024 plan, where most of the existing structures can always be redone. You can have additions of solar panel, or you can have additions of greenery happening. You can have greenery, flora and fauna, bio-design, bio-architecture, indoors and outdoors. And you can look at what are the easy to maintain plants and stuff. This whole idea of having 300 lakes is pretty absurd. Rather than looking at having 300 lakes in your own city, why not have the new construction or the new projects coming in making it a mandate to have swimming pools and water bodies where water is recycled and pollution is taken care of and stuff. So